How to fix message failed to send on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First thing what you can do is you want to go to the home screen of your phone and then tap on settings. You might have opened aeroplane mode, so what you can do is you can have to turn it off. Even if the problem is happening, what you can do is you want to turn on the mobile aeroplane mode and turn it back off again after 3 to 5 minutes. After that, what you can do is you want to make sure that if the Wi-Fi is working properly and your cellular is working properly. Here you want to tap on cellular data option, then tap on voice and data and make sure it is in 4G. Then you want to go back to the home screen of your settings. Now what you need to do is you want to scroll down and tap on general, and you want to scroll down in the bottom again. Then you want to go ahead and transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, you want to enter the passcode on your phone, then tap on done. And that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.